Hello everyone, it's Lee Shong here at Subaru Puyallup, also a part of the Harnish Auto family. I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to disable some of your top safety features on your all-new 2024 EV Solterra. To the left of your steering wheel, you're going to click on the reverse arrow. Then you're going to click on the arrow going down or up. And then you're going to find the settings widget. And the first one that does show up will be your lane departure alert system. So it'll give you an audible alert when you're getting out of your lane. You'll have your blind spot detection, which will give you an alert when there is a pedestrian or a vehicle in your blind spot. To disable it, all you'll have to do is hit OK. You'll have your passenger detective alert system, pre-collision braking system, parking assist will assist you in parallel parking. You'll have your road cross traffic alert, your safe exit assist, and then you'll have your road sign assist and the vehicle settings. So there's so much more that you can go over, but this is just a quick tutorial on how to turn off some of your top safety features. Well, there you have it. That's how you disable some of the top safety features on your all-new Solterra all-electric vehicle. For more details, please visit us at SubaruPuyallup.com. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye, guys.